animals. Animals. Animals are our friends. There are of two types. They are wild animals and domestic animals. Wild animals live in forest. Example: lion, tiger, elephant. Domestic animals are tamed by humans. Example: hen, goat. We get eggs from hen. Cow gives us milk. Sheep gives us wool. Dog lives in a kennel. A bird lives in a nest. The young one of a pig is called piglet. The baby cat is called kitten. We can see wild animals in the zoo. The animals that live in forest are called wild animals. Tiger is our national animal. Lion is called the king of the jungle. Thank you.